So Hare Krishna, today 29th of October 2020, and by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnava Jaro, we are in a position to continue our study of Srimad Bhagavatam, and that too regularly, Nityam. So text 43 of chapter 12, canto 3. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaipa Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Nashuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki. Text 43. Mekhanasa Bala Khilyo Dumbhara Fena Pavane Nyase Kutichakaha Purvam Bahavodo Hamsa Niskriyo. Vaikhanasaha, the section of men who retired from active life and live on half-boiled meal. Balikhyaya, Balikhyalya, one who quits his former stock of grains on receipt of more. Audumvaraha, one who lives on what he gets from the direction towards which he starts after rising from the bed. Fenapa, one who lives on the fruits which automatically fall from the tree. Bane, in the forest. Nyase, in order of renunciation. Kutichagaha, life in the family without attachment. Purvam, in the beginning. Bahavodaha, giving up all material activities and engaging fully in transcendental service. Hamsaha, fully engaged in transcendental knowledge. Niskriyau, stopping all kinds of activities. Translated by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The four divisions of retired life are Vaikhanasa, Balakyalya, Audumbaras, and Fenapas. The four divisions of the renounced order of life are the Kutichaka, Bahodasa, Hamsa, and Naiskriya. All these were manifested from Brahma. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmantam Menam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Astapitam Mena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supatantikam. Bande Ham Sri Guru Shita Patakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavamja Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vitantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Sabadhutam Parajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitamcha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhana Shute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhuve Vacha Padita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jaipataka Swamini Namine. Namo Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gauragata Damadaya Nagaragrama Tarane. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamini Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Parcharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyad Desatarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Bhaykhana Sahabale Khyalyo Dumbhara Fen Pavane Nyase Kudichaka Purvo Bahavo Hamsa Niskreyo. So, Vidura being informed by the spiritual master says Maitreya Muni, he is saying Brahma then created. The creation of Brahma is going on, Kumara and others. The 4 divisions of retired life. Everywhere there is classes. Vaikhanas, Balakhilyas, Audumbaras, and Fenapas. The 4 divisions of the renounced order of life are Kutichaka, Bahodasa, Hamsa, and Niskriya. All these were manifested from Brahma. So everything is manifested from Brahma by the will and order of Lord Sri Krishna. Prabhupada's purport, small but good one. The Varnashram Dharma, or the institution of 4 divisions and orders of social and spiritual life, is not a new invention of the modern age as proposed by the less intelligent. It is an institution established by Brahma from the beginning of the creation. This is also confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita 4.13. Chaturya varnam maya srishtam gun karma vivagasaha tasya kartaram api mam vidya kartaram avyayam. According to the 3 modes of material nature and the work associated with them, the 4 divisions of human society are created by me, says Krishna. And although I am the creator of this system, you should know that I am yet the non-doer, being unchangeable. So, Chaturvarna Maya Srishtam. So, these Varna and Asrama is created in such a way that every person can get engaged according to his choice, according to his prarabdha, according to his liking. But all these 4 plus 4, 8, they promote them or the soul from the lower consciousness to the higher consciousness, and thereby goes back home, back to the Godhead. Simply, slowly and gradually. So, it is not the seminal birth that we talk about. Generally, in India, we talk about, I am a Brahmana, I am a Kshatriya, I am this, I am Shudra. But then, in Jammu and Kashmir, there is a law. Now the law is gone. There is a law that the 4th class will never get into any administrative job or any teaching job. Any administrative job or teaching job, doesn't matter. Or even suppose some of them have become the doctors and so many things, they will not get the employment in Jammu and Kashmir. So these laws were man-made, not by God. According to the karma, according to activities, according to the liking, the people automatically have divisions. We can say, let us say, all first-class Brahmanas, they go for a picnic. And nobody is around there, only all Brahmanas. And they say, okay, we'll be there for a week or so. Now, in order to eat, among the some of Brahmanas, they will start cooking, they will start harvesting or collecting things. So according to the nature, even they are all Brahmanas, but according to their instinct nature, they will pick up the job. Okay, this I can do, this I can do, this I can do, this I can do. So it is according to the nature. And definitely, because every one of us, we have transmigrated from time immemorial in the different bodies, in the humanly bodies, and we have a set unique character or liking that we pick up very easily. Very easy to pick up, no efforts are required. We just do it. And that's why it was established by Brahma. He knew that what kind of progeny is going to come. All right? So text 44 will take. Anvikshiki tarya varta dandanite tathaiva cha evam vyahritas shasan parnavo hi asya dahartah. Anvikshike, logic, traye, the three goals, namely religion, economy, and salvation. Varta, sense gratification. Danda, law and order. Nitihi, moral codes. Tatha, as also. Evacha, respectively. Evam, thus. Pyahirtayaha, the celebrated hymns. Bhu, Bhuvar and Swaha. Cha also. Asan came into existence. Pranavaha, the Omkara. He certainly, Asya of him, Brahma. Dahartaha, from his heart. Translated by Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The science of logical argument, the Vedic goals of life, and also law and order, moral codes, and the celebrated hymns, Bhu, Bhuvashoha, and Swaha, all became manifested from the mouths of Brahma, and the Pranava Omkara was manifested from his heart. So just a repetition or only translation that how the different thing came from the body of Brahma. Text 45. Tashunga ashililomabhyo Gayatri cha tvacho vivoho Trishtum manasat ushnuto anushtuba Jagatya astinaha prajapatehe Tasya, his Usnika, one of the Vedic meter, Asid, generator, Lomabhyaha, from the hair on the body, Gayatri, the principal Vedic hymns, Cho also, Tvachaha, from the skin, Vibhuhu, of the Lord, Trishtupa, a particular type of poetic meter, Mamsat, from the flesh, Snutaha, from the snooze, Anushtupa, another type of poetic meter, Jagati, another type of poetic meter, Astanaha, from the bones, Prajapatihi, of the father of living entities. Only translation. Thereafter, the art of literary expression, Usnika, was generated from the hair on the body of the Almighty Prajapati. The principal Vedic hymns, Gayatri, was generated from the skin, Trishtupa from the flesh, Anushtupa from the veins, and Jagati from the bones of the Lord of living entities. This information you will never ever find anywhere in the scientific world. Never ever. They won't know how the things, they simply say, things happen. Intellectual brain develop and things happen. They do not know. The source is Brahma through the agency of Krishna. Text 46. Manjayaha panikitar brahati. No. Manjayaha pankir utpanna brahati pranato abhavat. Manjayaha, from the bone marrow. Pankitaha, the particular type of verse. Utpanna became manifested. Bhrati, another type of verse. Pranataha, out of the life breathing, abhavat, generated. Translation again. The art of writing verses, pankti, became manifested from the bone marrow. And that of brahati, another type of verse, was generated from the life breath of the Lord of the living entities. What a information. I think by reading this, you will definitely become a PhD holder. Text 47. Asparshtashyabhajivah swarodeha udahirita ushmanam indriyanyahu antaha asta palamatmanah swaraha sapta viharena bhavanti sma prajapatehe. Asparshaha, the set of letters from the ka to ma, tasya his, abhavat became, jiva the soul, shwaraha vowels, dehaha his body, udahiritaha are expressed, ushmanam the letter sha, and ha, indriyani the senses, abhuhu are called, ananta staha the set of letters so known as yarala va, balam energy, atmanaha of his self, swaraha music, sapta 7, viharena by the sensual activities, bhavanti sma became manifested, prajapatehi of the Lord of the living entities. Here translation purpose is also there. Brahma's soul was manifested as the touch alphabet, his body as the vowel, his senses as the sibilant alphabets, his strength as the intermediate alphabets, and his sensual activities as the 7 notes of the music. This is the purport. In Sanskrit, there are 13 vowels and 35 consonants. The vowels are a, I, E, U, U, Ri, Ri, Li, I, O, Au. And the consonants are Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, etc. Among the consonants, the first 25 letters are called Asparsha. There are 4 Antahastaha of the Usmas. There are 3 Shaj called Talabhya, Murdhanya and Dantya. The musical notes are Sha, Ra, Ga, Ma, Dha and Ni. And we say Sare Gama. Is it Sa, not Sa. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Dha, Ni. So all we have heard earlier on, it was already. We say Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. So that's wrong, huh? Let us learn something today in Bhagavatam. Is it Sa, Ra, Ga, Ma, Dha and Ni. All these sound vibrations are originally called Shabd Brahma or the spiritual sound. It is said, therefore, that Brahma was created in the Mahakalpa as the incarnation of the spiritual sound. The Vedas are a spiritual sound, and therefore there is no need of material interpretation of the sound vibration of the Vedic literature. The Vedas should be vibrated as they are, although they are symbolically represented with letters which are known to us materially. In the ultimate issue, there is nothing material because everything has its origin in the spiritual world. The material manifestation, therefore called illusion in the proper sense of its term. For those who are realized soul, there is nothing but spirit. So, we all know the matter, if it is seen without the connection of Krishna, then it is matter. But if the same matter we see in connection with Krishna, then it is a spirit. Very simple. The same thing can be used, can be termed, can associate it in two forms, either materially or spiritually. Absence of Krishna is everything material. Inclusive of Krishna is everything spiritual. That we have to understand. And the devotees, they see everything in Krishna. Jatasano jatasvaso, jitasango jitendriyaha, sthule bhagavate rupe, manaha sandhare dhiya. Either see Krishna in everything or see everything in Krishna. This is the way of Achinta Bheda Veda Tattva, understanding of our Brahma Naradya, Madhva, Madhva, Gaudiya Sampradaya. Achinta Bheda Veda Tattva. Simultaneously the same and different as well. So the devotee, he sees everything in terms of spirit. Look at Srila Prabhupada. He saw all his disciples as a spirit soul, and he knew they are capable enough to do what he asked them to do. And he has engaged so many people in such a way that they had never ever experienced, never thought of. They just executed the order because soul to soul connection. And Krishna says that I give buddhiri buddhimatam asmi tejah tejasnamaham or Ishvara sarvabhutanam hridate se arjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantra rudhani ammayaya. So the devotee's Brahma is a devotional service for the good. Even suppose sometime these great Raja Rishis, Brahma Rishis, they get angry and they curse. We feel very bad, isn't it? But actually this cursing is a benediction at large. These the sons of Kubera, Manigriva and his brother, they were cursed by Narada. Do you think such a great saintly person would ever curse anybody? He sees everybody in equal vision. Vidya vinay sampanne brahmane gyavastini suni chapa sopakai cha pandita samadarsani. He is one of the greatest pandita. But he want to deliver them. And what he delivered them? By giving them Krishna. He met Dhruva, he gave them Krishna. Whomsoever met, when he went to the Kamsa, telling him that if the Vishnu must have already been born, what are you going to do it? So what happened? He made him to be delivered by Krishna. So sometimes they see everything in relation with Krishna. And that's the vision of a Pandita. Samadarsanihi. Is good, is very good. It's bad, that's also good. So if this kind of mentality we can develop for some time, then of course we'll be doing a great a great work, great help to our soul by reaching back home, back to the Godhead. Otherwise, the soul drives the knowledge through our senses. But if the soul is awakened, sometimes the mind takes the soul, like mind is actually a charioteer, right? A driver. And if you sit in any car, private car, now the steering is not in your hand. Driver can take you wherever you want. But if you know the route, you tell him, hey, stop. Take left, take right, go straight. But we don't know the road, go. Similarly, the soul is taken to right by the mind and intelligence because soul does not know what is good for him. Okay, maybe this better, maybe that is better, this senses, that senses, this one, and it's taken to the right. But when soul is awakened, then everything becomes good. So let us awaken our soul by chanting the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Ram. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much.